extends to 3 of x cubed minus 27 all over x squared minus 9. The first thing you should do here is to first of all do direct substitution to see if you can directly find the limit. By doing direct substitution, you are going to substitute the 3 here. 3 cubed is equal to 27 minus 27 all over 3 squared, that is 9 minus 9. Find yourself having a 0 all over 0. And this is undefined, that is undefined actually into infinity. But you have to find a value for this limit. Hence, I want to use two basic principles, that is the L'Hopital's rule, or we use the factorization. Okay, let's start by factorization, by factorizing this. Okay, factorizing the numerator from the basic law that a cubed minus b cubed is equal to what? A minus b, a squared plus ab plus b squared. Okay, that's what we are going to be using here. Hence, that will be limit as x tends to 3 of what? You start with a cubed, that is 3 x minus b, because b cubed is equal to what? 3 cubed. Okay, 3 cubed will give 27. Here we have 3, that is b, times what? A, that is what? X minus, that is plus ab, that is 3x, plus b squared, that is 9. Okay, here is what we're going to be having. And in the denominator, we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to what? A minus b times a plus b. That is what we're going to be having. And we substitute here and we are going to have what? X minus 3 times what? X plus 3. And at this point, we find ourselves having what? A simplification, because this and this are going to cancel out. We are going to be left with what? Limit as x tends to 3 of what? X is x squared plus 3x plus 9 all over what? X plus 3. Okay, at this point, we can further simplify plus 3x plus 9 all over x minus 3. We can just simplify or substitute with 3 here to have what? Limit as x tends to 3. Substitute the 3 here, that is 3 squared plus 3 into 3 plus 9 all over what? X 3 plus 3 here. Okay, you can just have this as the answer at this point. And we are going to be having what? 9 all over 2. After simplifying this, we can use the L'Hopital's rule. At this point, you have to differentiate. That will be like limit as x tends to 3. You can have up here as f of x and here as g of x. And then L'Hopital's rule, what we do is to differentiate the numerator, that is f prime, and the denominator, that is g prime. Hence, we are going to be having what? That will be limit as x tends to 3 of what? We differentiate this, that is 3x squared, and we differentiate the denominator, that is what? 2x. And you substitute the 3 here, that will be equal to 3 into. You can further simplify here to have this 3 into 3 divided by 2. And you are having at the end 9 all over 2. And this is the same answer using two different methods.